introduce us about yourself and your educational background?
Yes, my name is Bharti J. Krishnan, and my educational background is that I graduated from Miranda House in Economics Honors, and then I started preparing for UPSC.
आज का इंटरव्यू आपका कैसा रहा? वो कैसे क्वेश्चन तुम लोगों ने पूछे हैं?
The interview was good. They were very friendly. They made us feel comfortable. There was not a lot of grilling. All of the members were asked very relevant questions related to current affairs and my DAF. So that was nice. और अच्छा लगा इंटरव्यू देके, और बुरा तो लगा नहीं, अच्छा लगा.
So did they ask any trickish question or any situation based question which you think was like
Oh no, they didn't ask me any situation-based questions. They asked me some of the random questions that I personally thought were random were something about nuclear fission and fusion. So that was a little out of the blue. But other than that, बाकी सब कुछ अच्छा था.
यूपीएससी एस्पिरेंट को कितने घंटे पढ़ना चाहिए और आप कितने घंटे पढ़ती थी?
मेरे को ना ये घंटे को काउंट करना मेरे को पर्सनली हेल्प नहीं करता. क्योंकि मेरे को लिमिट सेट करना अच्छा लगता है कि आज मेरे को ये चीज़ें करनी है. तो अगर मैंने उस दिन 5 घंटे में कर लिया तो ठीक है, 2 घंटे में कर लिया तो ठीक है, और उसके बाद दैट्स ऑल आई डू. मेरे को घंटे करने पर ना, मैं सिर्फ घंटे काउंट करते रहती हूँ और फिर मेरा कुछ हुआ भी है या नहीं वो देखती नहीं है, तो फिर मैं घंटे का सिचुएशन नहीं करती.
मतलब जैसे कि रील्स और बहुत सारे जो टॉपर्स होते हैं बोलते हैं 18 घंटे पढ़ना चाहिए, 16 घंटे पढ़ना चाहिए. हाँ. क्या ये पॉसिबल?
18 घंटे तो नहीं होता. मेरे लिए मैक्सिमम आई सिट अराउंड 7 and I take breaks. I think about 8 to 10 hours. I don't really count really. मैं बीच में उठ के चली जाती हूँ and हो जाता है जो होता है.
ओके, आपका मतलब कि प्रोडक्टिविटी.
हाँ, लाइक अगर मेरे को लग रहा है कि आज मैंने मेरे ब्रेन को कुछ ज़्यादा ही यूज़ करा, डिफ़िकल्ट चीज़ें करी, तो फिर बस हो गया. लेकिन
एक और लास्ट सवाल ये है कि मॉक टेस्ट जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है यूपीएससी की प्रिपरेशन के दौरान, तो क्या लगता है आपको कितने मॉक टेस्ट एक एस्पिरेंट को देना चाहिए एग्जाम से जस्ट पहले?
I think one strategy that I do advise for prelims is doing a lot of mocks, because mocks do help, and reading the पीछे वाला आंसर मॉक्स का is very important.
क्या कहना चाहोगी, कोचिंग क्या ज़रूरी होती है एक एस्पिरेंट के लिए? क्या कोचिंग करनी चाहिए या बिना कोचिंग के ही काम चल जाएगा?
I don't have an answer for that because I did take coaching.
Okay.
I did have that. So, and I'm not going to say that because coaching really does provide like a routine for you. But a lot of my friends are not doing coaching and they have also done very well. So it's not the only measure.
Was your mode of preparation like, was it self-study, coaching or mentorship?
I did take coaching for sure, and I'm not going to deny that. But I think at the end of the day, coaching really does provide. Coaching बस आपको एक प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड करता है, and it is the relationship आपके टीचर्स के साथ क्या रिलेशनशिप आपका है, and आपने कितने अच्छे से सेल्फ स्टडी की है. तो प्रीलिम्स को मेरे को बहुत डर लगता है, अभी भी लगता है. अगर मेरे को देना पड़े तो अब मेरे को और डर लगेगा. CSAT for maths, I try to combine it with English because my strong point was English. तो मैंने English से start करा, and then जब मेरा English ख़त्म हो गया, then I attempted maths because I had a confidence level and all of that. तो पहले English करा, and then I moved on to maths.
Given the competitive nature of the exam, how did you keep yourself physically and emotionally strong and motivated?
You have to do a couple of things for that. There is self-motivation. You need to take care of small things like, taking care of your circadian rhythm and all of that.
What's your take on mental health and UPSC preparation?
Oh, I think it's a huge, there's a huge overlap. And it's very important to take care of your mental health, stress management, taking care of the small things, starting with waking up at the right time. At least for me personally, I think everybody should have their own mental health strategy. तो कुछ बोलने मतलब तुम किसी के ऊपर impose नहीं कर सकते ना कि ये करो वो करो. So at the end of the day, having your own personal strategy and following it.
What according to you are some of the common challenges that UPSC aspirants face during the preparation?
A common challenge would be financial trouble. Some people do face that, and that is very difficult. And I had my parents to support me, so I don't have any thing to say to that. And if you're going through that, all the best, and I'm really sorry, but I hope you get through this thing and you know. But there are other situations such as mental health struggles that a lot of aspirants go through, and just like going through the whole pep talk phase where आपको बोलना होता है कि this is normal, you're not an abnormal person. सबके साथ गंदे phases आते हैं and you have to get through it. And another would be just being bombarded with a lot of advice, because there is so much advice online and on YouTube and whatnot. So just trying to understand what is which advice is actually nice, trying to pass through.
How was the night yesterday? How was yesterday? And now, like, it was for the first time you are appearing in the interview.
Yes.
So how was the night yesterday? And now how do you feel after this? After the interview is over?
Yeah. Yesterday was, well, to be fair, I didn't do a lot yesterday. I was just walking around. मैं यहाँ से वहाँ टहल रही थी, कुछ पढ़ाई हो नहीं रही थी, और कुछ भी पढ़ने की कोशिश करो तो फिर दिमाग में जा नहीं रहा था. So it was difficult. And today morning was the same. But I tried to do whatever I could and try to talk to people and just keep my brain functioning to the extent possible.
You mentioned that like listening to music is also one of your hobbies.
Yes.
Do you remember any particular song that you heard yesterday that motivated you?
Probably Independent Woman by Beyonce. I don't know, but just in general, music in general.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
It's a
much.
pleasure talking to you.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. Bye.